Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning. Google Jamboard is a brilliant resource for collaborative learning. It allows you to share your whiteboard with multiple people, so that you can share ideas and thoughts. It's a fantastic tool for mind mapping and sharing written ideas. Keep watching to see how you can use this tool in online lessons and team meetings. If you are working on an iPad, you can download Jamboard, free of charge, from the App Store. And if you are on a PC, go into Google and type in Jamboard to access this software. Open the app or software, you will see this screen. Now click on the plus sign to open a whiteboard. At the top right-hand side of the screen, you will see 3 dots. Click on them and you will see this toolbar. You have lots of additional functions. You can share your whiteboard with multiple people by clicking on Share and adding in their email address. You can copy the link and share it with others via email. You can also rename the slide by clicking on the Rename tab. You can insert images from your image or picture file by clicking on the plus sign on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Then click on the image library to insert one of your images and all the participants can comment on your post. Click on the pen icon and you will see 4 different pen styles that you can use in your whiteboards. You can also click on the shape icon and create perfectly formed shapes. To add in an additional slide, click on the rectangle at the top of the screen and another slide will appear. To use the handwriting to text tool, click on the icon with the capital and lowercase letter A. And then write on the whiteboard, and it will automatically convert your written text into printed text. For drawing and doodles, click on the wand and start to draw your image, and you will be given a variety of options to choose from. Click on the fourth icon down on the left-hand side and you can use this tool as a screen pointer. This will direct your participants to a particular part of your board. You can also add in Google Images to your slide, for everyone to comment on. And you can also open your slides in other apps, like GoodNotes and Notability. This free whiteboard software is amazing and it has so many features and functions. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning. Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.